When adding already published work to Pure, you can save time by importing it. This brief guide will teach you how. Go into Pure and click on the Add Content button as normal. Then click Research Output, and instead of creating from a template, select Import from Online Source. This will bring up a list of places you might be able to import from. If you're not sure which one to use, but you have the DOI number, select Crossref. But for this example, I'm going to use Scopus. Put the details of the article you want to import into the search box. I'm going to paste in the title. Check that what's come up is the correct article and click Import. Pure will try to match the authors to people at the university. It can sometimes get these wrong, so please check these carefully and use the drop-down to select No Match if they're incorrect. Once you are done, click Import and Review. As you can see, Pure has added much of the information for you. Please check this for any errors and make sure that the record has a full acceptance date, and, if it is a recent article, add your author's accepted manuscript. Once done, click Save. If you have a lot of records to add, you can import a list instead. To do this, instead of selecting Import from Online Source, select Import from File. Here you can import your research from a BibTeX or RIS file, which you can get from many existing repositories. When you upload your file, a list of the records contained will appear. Records with a red bar above them may already be in Pure. You can remove them from the list by clicking the Remove button. You can now go through the list and import the records you want to add to Pure. Thank you for watching. If you have further questions, please email us at lib-research-support@bristol.ac.uk.